Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Bethany, and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, we will be learning about punctuation marks. Punctuation is the name of specific marks or symbols used in English writing. When we are speaking, we can use pauses or stops and change the tone of our voice to help the listener understand what we are saying. When writing, we can use punctuation marks to do the same thing. Using punctuation when we read helps us to correctly understand what is written and emphasizes the meaning of the sentence. Let's learn about some of the more common types of punctuation marks. Periods or full stops are tiny dots used to mark the end of a sentence that is a complete thought. A full stop or a period is the most common way to end a sentence. Repeat after me. This is my cat. That jacket is green. An exclamation point is a tiny dot with a straight line above it. It looks like this. An exclamation point is used to show strong feelings, like excitement, or to show that something is being said loudly. Repeat after me. Look, I see a puppy. Watch out! Question marks belong at the end of questions. A question mark is a tiny dot with a squiggly line above it that looks like this. Questions are used when you need to know more information about something. Repeat after me again. Where are my shoes? Do you like the red bow or the yellow bow? The next punctuation mark are commas. Commas can be used in many places. Commas are a tiny line on an angle that are used to indicate a pause. For example, commas should be used to separate 3 or more items in a list. Class is held on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I need to buy bread, milk, and apples. Next, commas are used to separate compound sentences. Compound sentences are two complete sentences connected by a conjunction word like and, but, and or. For example, I could buy pencils or I could buy markers. She made the cake, but I made the frosting. Commas are also used after introductory words, clauses, or phrases to set them apart from the rest of the sentence. Hi, I'm new here. Whether you like it or not, we have to go. You should also use commas to separate a city from its state or country, and to set apart the day of the week or month when writing a date. I want to visit Sydney, Australia. Today is Monday, October 17th. There are many other types of punctuation marks to learn about. But I hope this video helped you to understand some basic punctuation marks. Now let's review. Can you tell me which punctuation mark should be used for each of the following sentences? I do not like carrots. Yes, you're right. A period or full stop belongs at the end of this sentence. Well done. Next sentence is, do you like bananas? Awesome, you're right again. This sentence ends with a question mark. Wow, look at that huge boat. Amazing. An exclamation mark is perfect here because I was so excited to see the big boat. Now, what punctuation mark do I need to use in between the words of this sentence? I need to buy bread, cheese, eggs, and cereal at the supermarket. Yes, you're right again. We need to use commas to list 3 or more items in a sentence. Well done! For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids gives you instant access to native English-speaking teachers who are kid-friendly just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time!